Ngayon pag-usapan natin ngayon ang pag-manage ng isang maliit na capital. Not every one of us have been given a chance to acquire a lot of capital. Lalo na sa mga nagsisimula ng trading, nandun yung takot na kung paano masunog yung buong capital natin. So that's why I will give you a plan, and lay out everything to you kung paano nga ba natin mapalago ang ating maliit na capital using the Millionaires Trading Tool. When I say maliit na capital, it should fall below $200, no? So as long as it falls below $200, that is a small capital, no? And to be honest, napakadali lang niyan, no? Nandun yung challenge, pero I will give you some basic steps to follow kung paano nga ba natin ma-compound yung capital natin using the Millionaires Trading Tool. Now, the first rule na gusto kong ibigay sa inyo, find a strategy that can generate, above 20% win rate. So as long as na may strategy tayo na kayang manalo lang ng 2 beses, I want you to stick with it, no? Whatever strategy it is, it could be a naked charting or an indicator charts or schedule, no? Nasa sa'yo yan, no? It based on your backtesting, based on your study, and based on your mentorship na napasukan mo. I want you to find at least one of that kind of strategy, no? Now, number 2 is we should trade based off risk to reward ratio. So a lot of traders doesn't know how to calculate the proper risk to reward ratio, no? Pag sinabi nating risk to reward ratio, it is the difference of distance of stop loss to our take profit area. So let's say for example, this one, nag-trade tayo dito ng long position from an alert, no? Sa ating Algo Ninja reversal confirmation. Okay. Ang risk to reward ratio is makikita natin yan siya dito nakasulat, no? Risk to reward ratio. And nakabase yan siya kung ano yung distance ng stop loss natin, no? The more na tighter yung stop loss natin, the bigger our risk to reward ratio is. Okay? Kung titignan mo dyan, 6.93. Pero paghabaan ko yung stop loss natin, lumiliit yung risk to reward ratio natin. And we have calculators and we have wonderful calculators na pwede nyong gamitin for you to have a good risk to reward ratio income. So how does risk to reward ratio works? It works by multiplying your entry based sa risk to reward ratio mo. For example, you trade $100 at nanalo ka dyan ng 6.93, no? Gawin na lang nating 7. So ang magiging result niyan, $100 times 7 is equals to $700 income. So pag maganda yung risk to reward ratio natin, ang nagiging result is ganito. Multiply our capital or margin multiply by the risk to reward ratio. Okay. So ang gagamitin yung calculator dyan, guys, for you to have a good risk to reward ratio on every entry is nandito, no? Manual leverage calculator. So first is you put your capital. So let's say nag-start ka ng 200 USD and you want to risk 5% of the trade. And then nakalagay dito is 1.91. I-type mo lang dyan. 1.91. So sabi ng calculator natin, we need to trade $20. Depende yan sa leverage. Kung times 50 naman, $10 yung ipapasok mo dito. So pagpasok mo dito ng $10, which is ang original risk natin, right, is 5% risk, which is $10 yan. 10.47. So pag nanalo tayo dito, times 7, so this will be $70 profit. Okay. And then ang loss lang natin dito is $10. Pero kung stop loss mo sobrang haba, let's say 3% stop loss, sabi ng calculator, $6 yung ilagay natin. So kung 3% stop loss, still you will lose $10. So the more mahabaan yung stop loss mo, ang talo mo is magme-maintain siya sa $10 because we use a calculator called margin calculator na ginawa natin. Okay? Ganun kaganda ang tamang risk management, no? So ulitin ko nga, all you have to do is to have at least one strategy that can generate 20% win rate, and the second would be a strategy that can generate at least more than 2 or 3 risk to reward ratios. Okay. So ngayon, dito na tayo sa ating calculator. Now, first is you will input your capital, which is 200 USD. Tapos yung ultimate goal natin is 400 USD. So, idodouble lang natin yung pera natin. Ngayon, we will decide what is our payout or risk-to-reward ratio. And based on our strategy, our risk-to-reward ratio is above 3. No? 1:3, which is 300% yung nakalagay dito. And total number of trades, para hindi ako makakabahan, is 12 trades lang out of 2. So, kailangan ko lang ng 17% win rate para mapasa ko na lang siya. So, how long natin siya madodoble? In 3 sets, no? So, it means, kahit pa matalo tayo, loss, 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 win, loss, loss, win, ang magiging result nito is 237, and then dito is 237. So, order doesn't matter based on the formula. So, win, loss, win, still the result is 237. Kung 7 sunod-sunod na talo, tapos 2 panalo, still the result is 237. So, ito yung purpose ng calculator na to, guys, no? It's for you to have proper set, and then once na ma-fulfill mo na yung set na to, that is the time you will go to the next round. So, 2 na lang kulang to double our capital. We lose, we lose, we lose, we win, lose, lose, and then win. 281, no? Nag-match siya sa target natin. And umabot dito ng 281. So, isa na lang na trade to double our capital, no? We lost, we win, lost, win. 333. Meron pa palang isa, no? May isa pang kulang. Loss, win, and then win. 395. So we are able to double our capital because we follow a system of risk management na binibigay dito ng Millionaires Trading Tool. So ang trabaho mo lang dito, guys, first is to input your capital, and then ilagay mo dito yung ultimate goal mo. Your goal should be 1,000 USD. Then ito yung susundan mo na sets with a 17% win rate strategy. Okay? So for example, on the day-to-day basis, using our formula, which is the Algo Ninja reversal confirmation. So my settings here is 1527. So ang rules ko kasi, guys, first is I will wait for an alert. Na pagka-alert dyan ng yellow, and then dito is color pink or red, I will enter there for a short position, and then i-measure na natin yung ano natin, entry. Tapos ang maganda kasi dito, guys, hindi mo na need na mag-calculate, i-type mo lang yung stop loss mo. So since ang stop loss na ay 1.06, automatically yung margin natin will be adjusted based sa risk level natin, which is 4%. So ilalagay natin dito is $17, and then when we win, ang target lang natin is 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Tapos another day na naman, magte-trade ka na naman. So nag-alert dyan ng long since red hindi na papasukan. Dito tayo papasok sa gray area na yan. So dito tayo pumasok. Ang stop loss natin is below the EMA. So 1. Type mo dito 1.92. Wait lang. First trade natin, nanalo tayo. Second trade, iput natin 1.92. So ito yung ilalagay mo, $3. And then target ka ng 1:3 risk to reward ratio, which is panalo ka. Kapanalo mo, you go to the next set. So 237 na tayo. Ito na lang kulang, no? Nag-alert siya, and then color gray yung value. So we will enter here, put our stop loss above, target 1:3. So hindi siya na-hit, and then we lost onto this trade. Talo tayo isa. And then nag-alert dyan ng long, no? So naka-entry pa tayo dito ng isa din. Stop loss here. Target 1:3, panalo tayo ng isa. So may short dito na alert. Sabihin natin na loss tayo isa dyan. May long na alert, na loss tayo. And then may short na alert, na loss ulit. Kung ano lang, no, kung binabase lang natin sa mga alerts, hindi ka naglalagay ng mga support and resistance, which is very, very important. lalo na sa range market. And let me show you why this calculator will be really good with your approach. Kasi despite the consecutive losses, no, ang dami nating consecutive losses, just 2 trades, 281 at saka na-meet natin yung 281. Okay? So we are now on $281. So ngayon, bago na naman yung rule natin, kailangan nating sundan. So nag-alarm dyan. So we could wait for a little bit of pullback dito nag-entry. So na-loss yung isa and then yung isa nag-win. Ng 1:3. Win and then loss. So ganun lang siya guys, no? Ulitin nyo lang siya 6 times, whatever the strategy it is. If your strategy can be fast, no, mabilis nyo lang to ma-achieve tong mga goals na to, no? And enjoy siya kasi hindi mo kailangan na tipong ma-pressure, no, sa mga consecutive. Pansin nyo naman kanina, ang dami rin consecutive losses. Because of our mathematical equation, we are able to get through it, no? So, the more natataasan mo yung ratio mo or wins mo, let's say, 3 wins in 12 ka, like, napakadali na lang ma-achieve yung set na gusto mo or yung ultimate goal na gusto mong ma-achieve. Pero, kailangan mo ng medyo mataas na win rate when you do this kind of method, no? Pwede mong gawing 13-3. Ayan. Ito okay na to, no? 3 wins sa 13 trades. So, kikita ka ng 49%. So, ulitin ko lang, first is you need to find one good strategy that could be above 50%. And I suggest you go sa YouTube or you can join into my mentorship. And i-search mo dito is trading strategy or trading view indicator. And dito, marami kang matutunan na iba't ibang strategy that is above no 50%. And yun yung maganda, or you could create your own rule and system. And by using this calculator, you can definitely double your capital in just a short period of time. Maraming salamat.